Singing this song for everybody who has a name. Singing this song for the world that has gone insane. Singing this song for me. Singing this song for you. Really wish I could see the face who I'm singing this to. Singing this song for the girl next door, for the friend who lives 9,000 miles away, for the kid that never learns to play, for the man who fights for his country every day, for the leaders who still don't know what to say. But who can I talk to when it all just doesn't add up? Who can I believe when it all gets too rough? No. Singing this song with the better half of me. Singing this song for the believers that pray to be one, for all the angels that will never come to some of us, for the homeless mother who had to give a little baby up. But who can I talk to when the world just shuts up? Where can I go when I think it's just not enough? Too much to sing for, I still don't get the satisfaction that I need. No, no. Can anybody hear me now? I'm singing this for me, yeah. No, 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 no. I'm singing this song 'cause it's the only thing that I can. Singing this song 'cause it's just about everything I am. I am homeless, I'm a soldier from a kid, I'm a girl next door, yeah, I'm all this. But who can I talk to when it all just doesn't add up? How can I believe when it gets too rough? Who can I talk to when the world just shuts up? Who can I believe when I think it's just not enough? Not enough. It's just not enough for the mothers. It's just not enough for the soldiers. Ever be enough?